Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Prepare vehicle by parking on level ground with engine off. Turn the car battery master switch to on if present. Locate the Type S camera and wireless transmitter by reverse light. Ensure the camera has steady 12-volt power during the pairing. Power on the monitor and open the pairing menu in settings. Press and hold transmitter pair button 5 seconds until LED blinks. Select Add Camera, then choose Type S from the list. Confirm pairing when the monitor shows a live camera feed. Start by turning the vehicle ignition to accessory or on for constant power. On the monitor, navigate to Settings, then Camera, then Pairing. Choose Add Camera and wait for the device search to begin. At the camera transmitter, press and hold the pair button for 5 seconds until the LED blinks. The monitor will list Type S as an available device. Select that entry. The pairing handshake takes about 10 to 30 seconds to complete. When complete, the monitor should display a live camera feed immediately. If you see video, the pairing succeeded and is ready to use. If pairing fails, first verify the camera has a continuous 12-volt power feed. Check all wiring connections at the reverse light for corrosion or loose terminals. Inspect the transmitter battery and replace or recharge it if the LED fails to blink. Move the monitor closer to the vehicle to reduce wireless interference during pairing. Try a factory reset on the Type S camera before attempting pairing again. After reset, repeat the pairing procedure exactly as shown earlier. Finally, verify camera angle and image quality once the feed is stable. If problems persist, contact technical support for advanced diagnostics.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.